Hello guys, review Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 5G. Open box and look completion. Device in the green color. In completion we have only cable, Type-C cable and protected back cover. That's all. We have 108 megapixels main camera, 45 watt turbo charging, MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra, Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and 120 Hz refresh rate display. Okay, green color. Triple camera on the back side, on this side power button and wall buttons, without controls on this side, headphones jack and Type-C cable on the downside, slot for SIM cards and speaker. Turn on device. We have open settings. About phone, we have HyperOS version 1.0.7. Close this. Android 14. Look benchmarks results. Single core score multi-core test results. GPU test results. Look Antutu benchmark. Okay. Run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on a device. Okay, game load. Graphics medium and game works good. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.